Hi, I'm Graham and I'm the Chief Exec at Ardgowan Hospice, and welcome to Hospice Care Week 2025, where around the UK hospices are celebrating the work that we do in our local communities and with our local communities. It is work that we can do only with your support and with your help. So this is a chance for us to say thank you to you. It's a chance for you to celebrate the work that we do and help us with a bit of fundraising. And also, it's a chance for us to say to the government, you need to fund us properly. So let's think about all of those things. The first thing, of course, is that we want to say a huge thank you to all the businesses and the schools, nurseries that are going purple on Friday. Thank you so much for contributing. And we hope that when you go purple, whether it's you're baking cakes or you're dressing your shop up all purple, that you have some fun and that you enjoy yourselves on Friday. We are incredibly grateful to businesses who are doing special deals. Look out for all of those. All the details are on our website and on our socials. All the deals that are going to be available for you to help us go purple. And we're so grateful for places like the Town Hall is going to be lit up purple on Friday. The Telegraph have been amazing. They are going purple themselves. That red masthead is going on Friday. It's going to be purple. And they're going to be running stories all day this week, or every day this week even, that show and highlight the work that we do. Because the theme of this Hospice Care Week is that we do more than you think. When I meet people and we talk about the hospice, people always talk about Nelson Street and the work that we do on the ward. And the work we do on the ward is really important. We have 8 beds and people come in either for palliative care, where we're helping them with people with symptom control, pain control, or for end-of-life care. I mean, did you know that 60% of the patients that come into the ward are discharged, often home? Most people don't realise that. There's a whole pile of work that happens there. But there's also a lot of work that happens out in our community and with our community. We have a community nursing team that support people in their own homes, and they work very closely with our colleagues in primary care, district nurses and GPs. In fact, sometimes patients won't even know we're involved because their GP has picked up the phone and asked for one of our specialist nurses or doctors and asked them for advice. And that may mean you never know that we're there. So we're there, we're training in care homes and in other places of health and social care. We've got our teams working with children and young people out in schools and with one-to-one and group work. We've got My Life, which is supporting people who've been bereaved to actually reconnect with living and having fun. And we have our wellbeing team who are offering counselling and group work to help people deal with grief, loss. There is so much that we do at Ardgowan that just the wee building in Nelson Street doesn't capture it all. And that's what we want to celebrate this week. So if you're going purple for us, remember you're going purple for all the work that we do in our community. Thank you so much for doing that. And while you're doing that and raising money for us, which is amazing, we would not be, we're here, we've been here for nearly 45 years, and we would not be here if it wasn't for the support of the people of Inverclyde. So it is incredibly humbling that without you, we wouldn't be here. So thank you so much. But it does give us also a chance to remind the government that palliative and end-of-life care across the whole of Scotland, not just Ardgowan, the whole of Scotland, the funding is not fair. And there are places where we get about 30%, just over 30% of our money from government. Other people get 50, some people get 20. It's just not fair. And we're asking you as well to have fun going purple, but also go on our website and send a letter to your MSP or your MP to say, can we have a bit of fairer funding for hospices, please? This is a really important time for us. It's really important that we celebrate the work of the hospice. And going purple week allows us to say, we do that with you, our local people. And for that, we thank you. Thank you for going purple for us. We hope you have some fun and enjoy this week as much as we do. Thank you for your help.